We're really excited today to show you the advancement we've made in the segmented hollowing bar for the Clark deep hollowing system. Here we're showing it mounted to a jet mini lathe, and you can get this whole system. It's the same system as we use on the big lathes for the same price as a lot of the smaller systems, but it will allow you to go 15 inches on a standard jet 1220 mini lathe. The hollowing bar comes in two parts. The first part for the small lathe is 24 inches long. It has a slot in it into which the bearing slides so that it doesn't rotate as you're hollowing. This is our basic design, our patented design we've had on the market for about 15 years. But this bar has a second segment, and that second segment fits in with set screws to give you an additional length and a place to put your handle, plus a place to mount the long bar. We mount it to this end, and we have the screws for adapters and for the hollowing tips. You can see the slot in the bar, and this bar happens to be 30 inches long. So it allows you to actually get almost 30 inches deep with this 30-inch bar. Now you can separate the bar at this joint. Now this second extension has a handle on it, just like I showed you on the jet mini lathe. But this extension is 18 inches long, so it gives you a 48-inch long bar. Now, my idea is you could separate the joint right here. You can take the handle off right here. Disconnecting, just loosen them gently. We don't have to take them all the way off. Now we can separate the main bar from the extension and take out the little insert. And we can put the handle on now on the end of the 30-inch bar. Now we have a 30-inch bar to work with for smaller projects. We put our 3/4-inch round carbide cutter in the 6-inch holder and put it into the end of the extension. So the extension, you could see the 6 or 7-inch slot. It's totally 18 inches, but it could be shorter or longer depending on your preference if you wanted a custom length. But now you can see Alex is using this handle and using it as a holder for generalized turning. So it could be for turning, it could extend the hollowing bar, or it can be used itself for hollowing, external turning, or external use of the hollowing system. So I think it turns that hollowing bar into a much more flexible feature of the Clark deep hollowing system.